Congratulations, you've just ordered your done-for-you webpage on riverall.com. Great move. Now let me walk you through the next steps to get started. Step 1. Check your email. Within 24 to 48 hours, you'll receive an email from us with your login details and a link to your brand new webpage. Make sure to check your spam folder just in case. Step 2. Secure your account. Once you receive your login, change your password to keep your page safe. If your page is on bio.link or Blogger, update your email as well to ensure full control. Step 3. Start sharing and earning. Now comes the exciting part. Share your webpage link with as many people as possible. The more visitors you drive, the more commissions you can earn. Step 4. Need help? We're here. If you have any questions or need guidance, our support team is ready to assist. Just visit riverall.com/contact. That's it. Your journey to online income has officially begun. Now go ahead and start sharing your link. Your future self will thank you.